The second largest salt mine in the world and oldest in the subcontinent lies 200 kilometers away from Islamabad. According to legends, back in 360 BC, on a day when Alexander and his army were passing Jhelum and Mia Valley region, Khewra salt mine was discovered for the first time. As Alexander's army rested in this area after the battle with Raja Porus, they noticed the horses licking the salt rocks, which led them to uncovering this treasure. Today, Khewra mine produces 325,000 tons of salt every year, a reasonable quantity of which is exported to foreign countries, including India. Decoration pieces made of rock salt like lamp, embossed alphabets and ornaments are exported abroad. The salt mine goes 730 meters inside the mountain and is made up of 17 stories, with 11 stories underground. In 1872, under the British rule, Dr. Worth laid the ground tunnel of the mine. The temperature inside the tunnel drops in summer and rises in winter, which is very convenient for the workers. In 2002, the main tunnel was converted into a tourist attraction. An exciting train ride takes visitors into the heart of the mine. On entering the tunnel in summer, a welcoming waft of cool air embraces the atmosphere as temperature drops suddenly. The tunnel walls are of beautiful rich colors due to the rock salt. Bands of red and white hue can be seen on the mountain walls. At numerous places, long salt crystals hang like chandeliers. At some parts of the tunnel, wooden roofs were made many years back, giving a classical impact. The tourist attractions include Badshahi Mosque, totally made up of lit-up salt bricks. Here prayer adds light to the darkness of the mountain tunnels, when God is remembered and thanked for his blessings. Sheesh Mahal, named after the reflecting hues of the pink rock salt. Decorative lightwork makes walls glow different shades of rock salt: white, pink, reddish to beef color red. Minar-e-Pakistan. Its interior is lit up, giving it a glowing apex, as if to proudly mark the emotional attachment of miners to the identity of Pakistan. The Salt Brick Post Office. Mount Chavi. The mountain itself has artistically shaped an exact imitation of Mount Chavi by the dripping salt water and beautiful brine ponds. Another eye-catcher are the salt crystal formations on the walls and roofs. It is said that it takes a decade for a salt crystal to form. Pul-e-Sirat is another amusement, a bridge made of salt. For tourists, this whole new world inside the mountain is a phenomenal experience, an unforgettable one. A food court is set up conveniently for visitors near the mine, surrounded by a captivating view of the mountains. Mining was first started here in the 13th century by the chiefs of the Janjua Raja tribe. When the Mughals took over the subcontinent, the mine was named by the Sikhs of that time as Khewra Salt Mine. Geologists put the age of rock salt found here back to 600 million years. The mining method used nowadays is called room and pillar method. 1,500 tons of rock salt is extracted daily by using this method. In this method, 50% of rock salt is extracted and 50% is left for the purpose of acting as a pillar for the mountain. Everything in the mine emanates a historical touch. Likewise, the presence of stonecutters in the mine is one of great historic value, since many of them are here following previous generations of elders. There are a total of 685 miners working in groups of 3 to 4 each. Each group of miners extracts 20 tons of rock salt on a daily basis and are paid 200 rupees per ton. The mine has preserved till today the old mining machinery which was used during the British rule of the subcontinent. Khewra city has a very antiquated aura which takes the spirit back into time. The architecture of the buildings has a strong primeval impression, and the city gives off a strong essence of the past. The salt mine, from the time of its detection, has proven to be a great asset, a heavenly gift from the mountains of Pakistan. Every crystal that grows holds in it a history to tell.